Ngaruh. Kalian pada sudah makan ya? Kamu gak bisa ngomong, ya? Bahas di dalamnya ada makanan apa aja ya?
So are you all here from the TIAS program? Scholarship?
Yes.
So you just finished the first semester, right?
Yes.
So then,
It was short time.
Mana kita nung sabaraha ulang?
so how was the first semester? Did you have any issues?
Ayun sinano di bulan nanda.
Too fast, yeah, too intense.
Ano di pa mo?
What are you taking
Ya kan
here?
di waktu.
Study program. International relations.
Ada acara di Dewi tapi sekarang.
Yeah, that's why you're meeting me.
Jadi berangkatnya seperti rektorat dijemput gitu.
Oh, yesterday. Oh, yeah, Wednesday. With Pak Teten? Pak Teten? Or? You don't remember yet?
M11 waktunya keluar di rektoratnya. Soalnya acara bagi kan yang sampai setengah 11.
Yeah, it should be with
Ayo potong
Pak
1 jam
Teten.
kemudian jadi jam 11 dia
How was the
ngejemput
class?
jam
Was it fun?
jemput ke Pak Ahmad.
Confusing? Or
He's a good guy. He's
Santai
entertaining.
ngejemput ke
Yeah,
He
rektoratnya.
made a bit of jokes, so we were just
It was
having
enjoyable.
fun.
Yeah.
Seperti Pak Ganjar.
I had classes with Mr.
Yeah.
Teten a few years ago, and it was nice. It was fun.
Iya memang. Iya siap.
Yes. System, yeah, for me as well. When I
Silahkan
studied,
dicoba
I
lagi.
never studied anything like it before.
Periksa
So it's quite new. It's a new way of thinking.
You also, are you a staff here or you also
I'm currently helping out here as a staff member, but I'm still taking my master's as well in international relations.
That's
So
why
I just need to finish my thesis. I took your classes like 2 years ago, in 2000. No, wait, 4 years ago, 2021. I still haven't finished it.
That's why you know a lot
Yeah.
about our lecturers.
Yang ada.
But now the head of the postgraduate school, I think the postgraduate study program is Padadan, right? Yeah, so that have you guys met with him? Yeah, she should be easy to talk to. So if you guys have any problems with regards to with any issues with lecturers, you can talk to him as someone that should be like helping you out and stuff. I don't know about you guys have your thesis supervisors yet?
Yes.
Not yet, but Father Nancy will be discussing with us
Soon.
thesis. You took your classes in Dabo.
Yeah, that will, I still had my classes online because of COVID for the first semester. So it was, 2021 was still a COVID. No, not 2022, yeah. It was still a COVID year. So I still had online classes. But yeah, it should be. So in the class, are you just only the 4 of you or some other people?
We are 8,
Yeah.
10.
Oh,
Two doing public administration and
yeah.
8 doing international relations.
But all of you are master students.
Freestyle party.
It would be interesting when you change lectures like at the middle of the term, because Patterson handles the beginner aspect of system dynamics, but with Tata Swift, it will be the application itself using the fencing, I think the same the application. So you put the ideas behind the system dynamics and implement it into the program. That's where it's usually a little bit, it's quite a shocking step away.
the name of the application?
Yeah.
What's the name of that application?
Fencing.
Fencing. Fencing.
Fencing. Yeah, you probably learned it. But I'm not sure if it's exactly the same, like with what I had to go through.
Okay.
Because yeah, like at the start it's with Patatan and he explains it very, it's really easy to digest, you know.
Because this morning he came in and he was talking about an application. He said it's really good. And he
Yeah.
didn't even say the name. He
I
left
see
out.
it.
That's why I'm asking you. I think it's the same one.
Yeah, it's the same one. It should be the same one.
You remember he was talking about an application? Maybe that's the one. Maybe that's the one he's talking about.
It should be the same. So you've had one class with him or two or more? Only one class.
Yeah, one.
So once a
Yeah,
week.
this is the first week.
Yeah, this is the first week. Yeah, because my thesis, I use system dynamics for my thesis, and it's something new. So for me and for our lecturers as well. So it's a challenge using system dynamics and mapping. So was the class in English with Patatan?
Yes.
So yeah, well, last semester as well. Every class in English.
Yes.
Any issues you guys face, like the lecturers and stuff? Maybe
Seru.
too fast, too
Baik,
slow.
Bud.
It was good.
Baru.
Yeah, because sometimes not all lecturers here feel comfortable teaching in English. So sometimes
But we understood it.
that's the important point, right?
Yes.
It's not about how well one can speak English, like the accent. That doesn't matter. As long as we understand each other, that's the whole point.
Wah, ya, mana nu ieu dengan duanya.
You're still living in Easton?
Yes,
I've heard stories. But everything is good. Yeah, no big major issues in Easton so far.
Since the classes going back and forth.
That's
That's why we're here actually.
You're discussing it, right? Also, the majority of your classes will be in Dago now, or that's the annoying part, right? With half and half and stuff. It's quite far. Yeah. There's no like tall roads. Yeah, the big tall roads, where you go in with your car and then you go out. And, highways. There's no highways near Dago.
Oh yeah.
It's like in the top middle of the city and you have to go through traffic together.
It's high. It's over
I
here.
live near there because I know the pain. Sometimes there's traffic. But too much.
You can't walk
Yeah.
out to class though.
Yeah. But the place is nice. The environment is quite nice there.
It's quiet.
Yeah, it's quite very quiet. And the animals are quite scary. The ants. They grow so big there if you look around. Yeah, the ants are like this big.
I can see it.
Yeah, you should watch out. Right? When you sit near the bushes and stuff, like sometimes the ants, they're scary. They don't. I haven't been bitten by it, but they look scary. They're scary.
What color?
I don't know.
Black is red.
Sometimes I saw one that was colorful, but I don't know. It's weird.
Oh no.
It's like the mosquitoes as well. They look pretty big. It's weird. It's like only there, only at the campus. I was talking to my friends and like maybe there's like a secret lab here or something.
It's the whole campus.
Secret lab and stuff. Yeah, just be careful when you go there. Yeah, it gets confusing. Like the building is round. Sometimes I walk around and forget where I am.
This is a residence.
Yeah, what?
Residence for the lecturer.
How far lecturers? I don't think I think long ago, like lecturers had the choice to buy houses there, but I don't think it's like a formal place for them to live. Because I think like if a lecturer had a house there like 20 years ago, they can sell it now to someone else. So I think it's not really a formal thing. But yeah, there are roads there called like
Gorengan lah, goreng masalah
names of
perceraiannya.
study programs as roads. names. Okay, but that's about it.
Katanya sabi itu
Houses are still there. People living there. Resident houses.
In the near the Dago.
That will get campus.
Yeah,
Visit campus.
I'm not sure that they're all Unpad lecturers. I think like it's open to the public now. Maybe I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, the food is excellent though in front of the main street.
Yeah.
Dago.
Guys, you're in the right place, you're in a good chair, everything will be okay. If everything was okay, then you pray, okay? Yeah.
So, what is the occasion for? So today you had which class?
Diplomacy and foreign policy.
So that one is with Prof. Yan.
Yeah.
Prof. Yan told me
Yes.
an hour before. It was about the picking up and dropping off arrangement. So is that what you want to discuss now or?
Yeah, basically that's the goal. Now 3 out of 5
Yes,
classes
yes.
that you're supposed to have have been moved to Dago 6. And so we happened to have.
So 3 out of
Three
the
out of
classes
five.
are in 3 out of
5.
okay.
Yeah.
So okay, and then
And you know, we happened to have a chit chat with him, and the suggestion was that if the institution is able to do a bit of some transport arrangements for us to be able to go to Dago in the morning
okay, and then pick up in
and then
the
pick up in the evening, which really also come hand in hand with us and other colleagues. The 10 of us is also is a first step to what we have been pushing for. I initially told when we had a meeting, we had suggested that if it is convenient for both parties that we move to Dago. Of course, for academic reasons, because Payanyan tells us that the library in Dago is for graduate students, and of course also for matters to do with integration, that you're able to integrate with other postgraduate students. We would really appreciate the process of having that approach of moving to Dago if it is able to be escalated a bit. Because you see, we also have a bit of some our colleagues who are Muslim colleagues, and of course they also go to Ramadan, so the whole process also of going to Dago and coming back, and with the experience we had on yesterday,
was a bit
it was a bit.
tiring.
Yeah, so because we had a class here, then we went a bit of some traffic. So by the time you're starting that class, especially when I said I'm already fatigued. So I think it wouldn't make any economical sense for both parties to.
I think it's very possible. So I made a call. Prof. Yan made a call, and then we talked. So the arrangement would be I will discuss with Father then. So because if you have to go to Dago like 2 times a week, it's a bit also like complicated. But there are like plus and minus points. So Yan, after we discuss during our call, we might come up with the idea of having 3 courses in a day on Wednesday. That's also one possibility. But then it means that the pickup arrangement will be more sufficient because it means that we can borrow and arrange the picking up and drop off arrangement. Let's say if you will be pick up at 7 in the morning or like 7:30, let's say, for traffic, etc. And then you will begin your class at 9:30 with Iman, right? Iman. And then the next class is like 12:30 or what? 12:15. 12:15. And then, in that case, it means that you will have very limited time to, take classes. But the plus point is you will be pick up and then drop off only on Monday. So from our perspective, maybe that would be like one of the best options. But please discuss among you. Do you want the class to be combined in one day, minus and plus points? But I mean, I also have whole day like on Wednesday from 7:30 to 4:30, which is very tiring for me as well. But then the plus point is maybe on Friday you have more free schedule and free time. And then from our side to pick you up on only on one day would be also most efficient, right? So please consider it. But then the class in on Friday, I mean, I'm not sure. I mean, but Prof. says it's okay. I mean, he can adjust to Wednesday as well. So for now, what I have to do, maybe I have to discuss with Padanan and make arrangement, like technical arrangement for the picking up and the drop off. But then please also consider about the timing. I mean, we have to pick up and drop off 2 times a week. It's a bit, yeah, because we are currently under a very tight efficiency procedures at the university. So I'll try to make it like for free, the arrangement, picking up and drop off. But then, yeah, maybe what I can hopefully promise from today is like one time on like Wednesday. So just in case if you feel like, oh, maybe it's too much to have 3 classes during one day, and then you want to have another class on Friday, maybe that one that you should arrange by yourself. So I mean, of course, Prof. Yanian can have that suggestions, but after discussions, and then I explained to him about the whole arrangement and then the scholarship arrangement, and then he said, "Oh yeah, that makes sense. Then maybe we can fit into like one day, 3 classes." But then I mentioned to him that I have to discuss it with you first. So whether it's okay to have like 3 courses in one day. Oh, there's always like minus and plus points. So please consider that. And then maybe you can let me know after kind of like discussions among you, and then let me know, let's say tomorrow or maybe on Monday next week. It's okay. Or during weekend, no problem. So now it's still under the accreditations process, but I think tomorrow it's finished. So tomorrow I'll ask the faculty to kind of like do some kind of like details and correspondence on the administrative process to make sure that you will be picked up from that next week. Right? So I think it's good.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Yes, one day lunch.
We will be able to discuss some other.
Yeah. Please discuss first, and then you can have the possible options. But then for moving, yeah, you mentioned about moving to Dago sooner than the plan. This is what I have to check with the other vendors because we made the contract for the accommodation, so it's not like monthly, but we paid in advance. So that may be a little bit hard to do. Minimum, I think we can guarantee that we can move before like next semester, but maybe not sooner.
We will discuss and also to perhaps also consider the other 2 of our colleagues
Mhm.
who are doing public administration.
Yes.
They also have classes in Dago. Like today, they have a class in Dago. We were with them yesterday.
Ah,
So-
yeah.
So to try and also fit them in if it is possible.
Yeah. Then please let me know what the courses they have in Dago on what day, and I'll suggest to the head of study program to make it in on one day, so with the same day with you guys. Okay,
I will.
that's good, right? It sounds
I will alert Fahad to
okay.
just directly WhatsApp you
Yes.
so that.
Sure.
Thank you for making our life easier.
Yes.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I see you tomorrow morning.
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow, see you.
Have a good afternoon.
You too.
Bye-bye.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Hah? Ayan. Brother, yang iya, yes. Siapa lagi? Halo, Bu. Punten ada. Iya, Bu. Selasa, Bu. Besok mah yang acara dengan kantor pelayanan mahasiswa, Bu. Iya, Iya benar. Tadi kan saya udah habis ngobrol sama Bu Ije, baru mau nelfon Ibu mau nge-update gitu. Yang kemarin kan palingan kan yang mau nanti yang dari kelompok-kelompoknya siapa, jadi nanti saya nyiapin ke anak-anak gitu. Sama yang buat hari Selasa yang Aussie banget, yang MC dari kelompok-kelompoknya siapa? Oh, Haji. Terus untuk yang terkait yang undangan, akhirnya kemarin udah ngobrol sama Bu Alia. Jadi kayaknya kan kalau warik katanya beberapa juga ada agenda ya, termasuk Bu WR katanya lagi ke Vietnam. Jadi palingan nanti untuk direktur-direktur yang diundang yang kajiannya memang terkait lah gitu dengan kegiatan. Jadi nanti dari DLPM kayaknya diundang, kemudian SDM, dan juga dari kemahasiswaan. Mohon gitu, kecuali misalnya kalau misalnya bapak mau mendisponya kan sebenarnya bisa ke WR yang juga ya Bu ya, misal gitu. Cuma memang kalau dari segi sananya kan di sananya Church of the Offense kan memang level dubes ya, atau setara wakil dubes, sebenarnya secara statusnya setara wakil dubes, tetapi karena dubesnya belum ada jadi dia ya paling tinggi gitu. Jadi mah belum memang belum info. Oh gitu. Saya kira tuh kelas sudah kami nanti ya nanti nanti saya bilangnya ke Bu Ali.
Maaf teman-teman yang tadi HP dia masih jelek.
Iya boleh. Kapolsek Jatinangor. Mas kamu bikinnya udah makan ya? Belum.
Tadinya dia ngeliat makanan kayak
Pesen kopi atau apa nggak mau? Sok. Hari ini kan seharusnya santuy maka jadi dulu. Pakai yang tadi saya dengar. Yang itu loh yang the Office of International Affairs for International Office gitu ya. Kayak gitu tuh. Ya,
yang selama ini udah nol.
ya.
Anak-anak itu kan minta pertanyaan saya ada prodi itu kata ibu kata Bu Alia katanya nama aja nama kurang tahu
Nggak boleh nama paspornya.
nanti nggak bisa diupload ke itu yang terpede bikin
Memang enggak kan? Mereka waktu itu memang dimintainnya ya Bu.
kan kalau yang data ini itu yang
Soalnya data personal Bu yang ini tuh Bu yang
kalau yang lain masih soalnya
mau ngasih
harusnya malah sama nama
tanya dulu kali ya ke Ivan ya.
Tapi kalau itu nama prodi di sana memang apa-apa.
Boleh. Tapi karena kan kumpulinnya pakai Google Form, jadi dianggap berbahaya. Jadi kan kalau di sana protection of data-nya sangat kuat, Bu. Jadi nggak
Oh,
bisa.
kalau lumayan rasanya ngumpulinnya gimana ya?
Coba saya tanya dulu ya.
Biasanya
Soalnya di sini yang di highlight kenapa dikumpulin pakai Google Form?
paspor lagi kamu.
Iya ada, kalau data mahasiswa sih ada nomor pokok. Kayaknya nomor paspor.
Ya emang aneh pemerintah di kita kan banyak di kita mah yang jadinya nggak dilaporin tuh. Karena kan mereka kesini kan pakai visanya juga visa short term kan, bukan visa ini. Korea.
Yang lagi masalahnya nah ibu kandung soalnya bisa curiga.
Emang.
Kalau nomor paspor mah
Tapi tahunian sebelumnya masuk ke PDDT ya.
kan itu nanti dikasihin ke fakultas sama fakultasnya cuma didaftar-daftarin. Sekarang malah lagi diinput sama pemengandar. Mungkin mau dikasih SPM. Yang IM, ya. Makanya
Saya harus nanya nih sama Pak Roni dulu.
makanya
Soalnya
ini tadi
dari-
ibu ini prodi mana ini prodi mana karena lagi diinput kan.
Oh, ini kan mereka nggak setuju, masih personal data tuh. Bentar ya. Oh iya, benar. Insya Allah sih kami mendukung ya Pak Ikan kalau misalnya nanti ada terkait tadi ya misalnya arrangement yang dilakukan ketika nanti datang ke sini tentunya kan ada beberapa hal yang